大家好. Today you're going to learn how to say your name in Chinese. Someone asks you, 你叫什么名字? 叫 with a following tone. It means to be called or to be named. 你叫 is you are called. 什么 means what. And 名字 is the noun to mean name. So you can respond just by using 我 instead of 你. 我叫 my name is. And then your name. You can say 我叫 Ali. 我叫 David. 我叫 Selma. Whatever your name is, you just add your name. And then you can respond by saying 你呢? That's like asking the question back. And you. Then the person will respond with their name. They will say the same thing. 我叫 and then their name. Whatever their name is. You can also use it to talk about somebody else. So you can say 她叫 Fatima. 她叫 John. Whatever his or her name is. And then you'll want to say glad to meet you. So glad is 高兴. 高兴 is glad or happy. You can say 我很高兴. And then 认识. In English, we actually say to meet. 认识 is to know somebody. It's for people only, not for facts or knowledge. That is 知道. Like 我知道, I know where it is. But you can say 我很高兴认识你. So now you can go and try it out with your Chinese friends. 加油!